Today we're going to talk about the 5 tips to get your house ready to list this spring. All right, so number 1, we're going to depersonalize. Get rid of some of the photos. Make sure that people see the space and not the things in the space. Next, we want to clear the countertops. We don't want to have a lot of stuff sitting on the countertops again because we don't want people seeing the stuff. We want people seeing the space. And photography looks kind of funny sometimes when you have that big giant chicken sitting right there in the middle of the kitchen. Declutter your storage areas. Sounds kind of funny, but think about it. You want people to be able to see the storage that you have, see how much stuff you can get in there. So get rid of some of the stuff that you're not going to use. You know, there's a system where you can get you a couple of boxes and label them, keep, discard, remove, and then kind of just put those boxes out there and go through some of that storage area and get rid of a little bit of that stuff that you really don't need. Then you're going to minimize furniture. Some of that big furniture kind of blocks the view. You want to be able to see that fireplace. You want to be able to see that view out that window. So pull out some of that bigger furniture, get rid of it, kind of give yourself some more space. And when you're doing it, don't forget about your outdoor areas. People have a tendency to concentrate so much on what's inside. Make sure you're decluttering that outside area too. You've got those toys the kids haven't played with in years, balls sitting out by the back fence. Let's get rid of all of that to make that photography look really great and make that outdoor space look good. If you have any questions, give us a call, 210-324-7629. I'm Ava with the Missy Stagers team, and we hope to see you again soon.